How to register, open or create Shein App account. So let's get started. Firstly, visit the Google Play Store or App Store on your Android or iPhone. Then simply search for Shein and install the app. Once installed, launch the Shein app from your device. Now on the home screen, simply locate and tap on the Sign Up or Join button option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here, you'll be navigated to provide your email address. If you have already signed in with another account, then tap on the Sign in using another account option available in the blue highlights. Then provide your email address and create a password. Optionally enter a referral code if you have one for special discounts. Then select your preferred shopping categories for a personalized experience and check your inbox for a verification email and click the link to confirm your account. So that is it. You can also register using Google, Facebook or Apple account for faster access and ensure your password is strong and unique. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.